In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export Webflow code and host it online. So start by opening up your project in Webflow Designer, then click on the Webflow icon at the top left. And as you can see, if you hover your mouse on it, it will show this three-line icon. And if you click on it, this menu will pop up. Now here, look for export code. Then click on it. So for you to be able to copy this code or prepare a zip, you need to upgrade your plan. And from here, you should see the prepare a zip button. All you have to do is click on that, and Webflow will bundle your HTML, CSS, JS, and assets into a zip file. Make sure that you download the zip file to your computer and extract it. You'll see all your files there ready for hosting. The next is go to any hosting provider like Netlify, Vercel, or even your own server and upload your files there. Make sure that your index.html is at the root folder. And once uploaded, your Webflow site will be live anywhere you host it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!